To export Debank charts, start by logging into your Debank account and navigating to the dashboard. Click on the chart you want to export, which can be a portfolio overview, asset allocation, or any other type of chart available on the platform. Once you have selected the chart, look for the export option, usually represented by a download icon or a button labeled as export. Click on the export button to open the export menu, where you will be given several format options, including CSV, PNG, and PDF. Choose the format that best suits your needs, considering where and how you plan to use the exported chart. For example, if you want to analyze the data further, CSV might be the best choice, while PNG is better for presentations or reports. After selecting the format, you may be asked to choose the data range for the export. Select the time period that corresponds to the data you want to include in the chart. You can usually choose from predefined ranges such as 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or a custom range. Once you have made your selections, click on the export button to start the download process, depending on the size of the data and the format you chose. This might take a few seconds or longer. Wait for the download to complete and then locate the file on your computer. To ensure that your exported charts are useful and easy to understand, make sure to label them clearly and include any relevant context, such as the date range and the type of data included. This is especially important if you plan to share the charts with others or use them in reports or presentations. Finally, consider organizing your exported charts in a logical and accessible way, such as creating a folder for each project or client. This will help you to quickly locate the charts you need and make the most out of the data you have exported from Debank. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively export and utilize Debank charts to inform your decisions and improve your workflow.